So yesterday I took a rest day. I have a mate who came to town, Benny, for a visit. He's here for like 10 days or so. And yeah, I took the rest day. Swell was huge anyway, so it's kind of worked out really well. The day before though was pretty action-packed. Lots of fish. A good mixed bag actually, to be honest. Got a Tula, also got a Sierra, which I haven't caught in a long time, so it was great to get a Sierra on board. And the Barlette, of course, were around as well. Can't remember how many fish I got, but I think it was 4 Tula, 1 Sierra, 1 Barlette, I think. Good action. I was really happy. Solo effort again, which was great. Mikey's still hard at work, so the solo missions are my go now. But yeah, there was lots happening out there. There was big schools of Frel. I didn't know what they were at the start. All I saw was the dorsal fin like cutting through the top of the water, like tons of them. I actually thought it was manta, like a cleaning station of manta. But shoved the GoPro in the water and had a look at it last night, and there they were, big schools of Frel. We need to find out what this is, so we're creeping in. They must have just been waiting for the tide to change or for the food to turn on, or they weren't hitting my Rapalas though, they weren't interested at all. So yeah, that was quite interesting to see. I also unfortunately had what I had spoken about in previous videos happen to me. I finally got a hook in the leg. Geez, they fight good. They fight really good. Fight hard. Ah! 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 Ah, he got me. And I'm really sorry about squealing like a wuss in it. Yeah, that really hurt. Especially when the fish starts to move around, it really hurts. I was pretty lucky because I don't think the barb fully got into my flesh. Or maybe it did. I kind of had to pull my skin out and then push down on the fish to get it off, but wow, I don't want that ever to happen again. I'm very cautious of it now. Yeah, that wasn't fun. Didn't like that at all, and it actually killed the action. After I hooked myself, the action died. That was it, no more fish. So that was a bit of a bummer. But tomorrow, my plan is to head to the town further down, about 2 hours away from here. It's a bigger town, and apparently they've got a fishing shop there, which I really need. I'm running out of tackle. I'm running out of Rapalas. Not for the kayak. The kayak I'm fine. It's more my land-based gear I'm running out of. And maybe a couple of extra poppers for my Gale search come this month. It's happening this month. May, June, we're searching for Gale. So, yeah, headed down there. It's actually Cinco de Mayo tomorrow as well, so there should be some festivals and a bit of drinking, a bit of fiesta. Should be fun. So no fishing for tomorrow or Sunday. I doubt I'll fish Sunday, maybe Sunday afternoon, but I think I'll be pretty tired, hungover in other words. But yeah, for now it's hammock time. Yeah, hammocks. Siesta and hammocks. Alright. See you on the water soon. Drop in.